As a busy mom, I was always struggling to balance parenting, work, and daily life. I came across the AI Prompts for Busy Parents kit on Amazon, and at first, I invested $200 for full 10 modules. Each module cost me $20. Honestly, it was worth every dollar. The prompts helped me organize family routines, create smart study habits for my kids, and even guided me in raising them to think more creatively and independently. But here's the amazing part: right now, the entire 10-module bundle is available with a 75% discount. Instead of $200, you can grab it for just $50 on Gumroad. Use promo code PROMO75 or directly on Etsy without even needing a code. For me, it was truly life-changing. It made parenting smarter, easier, and way less stressful. If you're a parent who feels overwhelmed, this is an investment in both your time and your kids' future. Start making parenting easier today. Your discount is waiting in the links below.